In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create metafields for product variant in Shopify. We'll walk through setting up a metafield definition for variants and then adding values to specific product variants. Metafields let you attach extra information to products and their variants, like material, care instructions, or any custom detail your theme can display later. This keeps product data organized and makes it easy to surface custom content on the storefront. Begin in your Shopify admin and open Settings, then Custom Data. Switch to the Variants tab so you're managing metafields specifically for product variants. Click Add Definition to create a new metafield type. Give it a clear descriptive name such as Material or Care Instructions, so it's easy to find later. You can optionally edit the namespace and key. This combination is how your theme connects to the metafield. So use a consistent prefix like custom.material to avoid conflicts and make theme mapping straightforward. Choose the content type by clicking Select Content Type and pick the kind of data the metafield will hold. Single line text works for short values like 100% cotton. Rich text is useful for longer formatted instructions, and file is good for downloadable assets like PDFs. Configure additional options if needed. For example, allowing a list of values when multiple entries might apply. When everything looks right, click Save. This registers the metafield definition so it appears on variant records. Now go to Products in your Shopify admin and open the product that contains the variant you want to update. Scroll down to the Variant section and click the specific variant to open its details. Metafields are often below the standard variant fields, so you may need to scroll past Weight, SQ, or Inventory settings to find your new metafield. Enter the specific value for this variant. For example, type 100% cotton into a material field or paste care instructions into a rich text field. After entering the value, make sure you click Save at the bottom of the product page to persist the change. Repeat this for any other variants that need values. A quick tip: keep your naming and namespace conventions consistent across metafields, and choose content types that match how you plan to display the data in your theme. That way, you'll avoid mismatches and make it easier to connect these fields to your storefront later.